I'm super excited to share with you something new that I've been working on. If you guys have been watching any of my videos with pearl cells, multicolor pearl cells, you guys know what this technique is all about. Using silver as my pour over is something new. Check it out, guys. You're gonna love it. Hello everyone, this is your girl Camille. I want to say welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that you guys are able to stop by and check out today's video because you know what? I'm doing something different. And what I mean by different, pretty much the same technique, but the pour over paint is gonna be different. I'm using silver. Normally I use the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black as my pour over paint, but because I keep getting so many questions, I have people who follow me all over the world and they keep saying, you know what, I don't have this paint, I don't have access to that paint. And so I've been telling them, listen, it's all about the paint, don't worry. Once you get your consistency down, how you mix your paint is very important, and it's a proven fact that, you know what, it's all within the colors. Sometimes you could use the same brands of paint and sometimes the colors will react differently. Maybe it's how the paint is all made up chemically, so it's all in within the paint, guys, and I have proven that for myself. Maybe other artists can correct me, but from me and what I've learned from all of my experience, I realized that, you know what, it's really all about the paint. Guys, of course, let me mention this quickly before I forget. I know I haven't been listing the colors that I'm using, but remember, just go check in the description box all the brand name of the paints that I'm using for today's video. All right, just scroll down to the bottom of the description. You'll find it below this video somewhere here. Just go and just check it out. I have been really experimenting, and I really wanted to show you that, you know what, just try it, just give it a try, because really and truly, guys, it's really all about the paint. And look at this, it's just beautiful. The silver is amazing, and when you see the dried result for this piece, you guys have to watch this all the way to the end. When you get to the end, you will see the dry result. Beautiful, I love it. The silver really does make this piece shine, and it's beautiful. The cells pop through so quickly. I did mix the silver a bit thinner than the colors. I took a chance on that. I know when you mix with metallics, you should actually mix it a little bit thicker for certain techniques, but I chanced it and I mixed it thinner. Also want to mention that yes, I do have access to the American Floetrol. Yay, they started selling it here at our Home Depot in Canada, and I'm so happy that, I can just walk into the store and get it off the shelf. Really happy. Did I say Home Depot? Sorry, I mean Lowe's. Lowe's Canada, they're selling it, the American Floetrol here in Canada. I'm super happy. So I did mix this with the Floetrol, and I did also add my the Artist Loft pouring medium, because that's what I'm used to, and I do love how it makes the paint glossy, and when it's dry and it has that beautiful shine to it, really brings your colors out. But guys, use whatever you have access to, and I'm happy that a lot of people do have access to the Floetrol, and you know what, you can see for yourself that this works. The cells do come out a bit smaller than what I'm used to. I do love my cells a bit bigger and more, but anyways, this is art and it's all different. You cannot have the same result each time. And remember, guys, I mentioned earlier that this was an experiment, and I am super happy with it. Look at all these beautiful colors. The purple in here is just amazing, and it's a combination of Liquitex Basic and Artist Loft. The navy blue that you're seeing in here is a custom mix of Artist Loft blue and black. I do love to mix my colors, and of course I did add some white, and it's just beautiful. What do you guys have to say about this one? Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. I am only seeing a peep of that magenta, but you know what, it came out amazing, and Like I mentioned before, I am really happy with the way this one turned out. And yes, I'll be doing some more, and yes, I'll be using some more metallics. And of course, you have to come back to my channel and see which metallic I'll be using next. Okay, so do check out some of my previous videos, and do check out my videos coming out in the future, guys. You have to make sure that you're subscribed though. Okay, so subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. You have to hit the notification bell and hit all, so that whenever I post a new video, you are not left out. You are the first to get access to my video, guys. I really do appreciate it. I really want to reach more people. I really want you guys to get up and try something different and be proud of your art. Okay, remember, it's art, it's your creativity, and it's unique to you. Okay, this is why I love art. There's no rule in saying it has to be done this way. Even if your cells do come out wonky, don't scrape it, save it. It's all a lesson you're learning as you grow. Didn't I say go? Learning as you grow. And you know, it's only gonna get better with practice, guys. Okay, I promise you that. Here I am just about to show you now, using the same paint. So these are all left over. I had a round canvas, because you know how I love working around canvas. I love it, honestly. So you know how I do the pour and a spinning table. I do get this technique from Gina DeLuca. Have to give her props. Really do love her. She's one of my mentors. Have been following her for a while. Want to give you a shout out, Gina DeLuca. Thank you so much for inspiring artists like myself and people who really want to try something new and of course creative. And you got that style, Gina, and I love you for that. Love you as a person as a whole. Okay, I do love you. Thank you so much for, you know, your kindness and everything like that. Really do appreciate you. All right, guys, so here I am just going to pour this paint, and I'm gonna be using my spin table. This is just a cake spin table. It's you know, that I got. People keep asking me where I got my turntable. I got it from a garage sale. You know how you have a garage sale here in Canada, and you just, you know, and these are like antiques. So I haven't seen any, but it's like a Lazy Susan kind of thing. So maybe that's what it is. If you're looking for something similar, maybe you should just check out like Lazy Susan. And of course, you know what, this might pop up. It's like 16-inch in diameter. So yeah, here you're gonna find with this technique, same paint, same colors, you're gonna see different results. Okay, the cells do come through and they form differently, and I was just amazed, really excited to show you guys the difference in cells and how, you know, different techniques can, you know, gain different results. People say to me on Instagram, oh my god, your paint looks so thin. Maybe because I do sped up the videos on Instagram, but it's not that thin. These paint leave a mount, but a slight mount, and then it quickly disappears. So it's not a milky paint. It's not watery at all. It does have that mount to it. You know how we say mount, you know, like you'll drip the paint back into the cup. When you lift it off your popsicle stick, you will see it leaves like a little mount and then it disappears. I haven't even talked this long in a video. Oh my god, I must be very excited. Want to give a big shout out to my friend Barbie. She's one of my biggest supporter. You know, every time I paint on a round canvas, she's always saying, you know what, Camille, this is another goddess shield. I just love that lady. She comes up with the best titles for everything. But I do have some great supporters, and I do hope that if you find my art, you know, something that you would love, something that you would want to learn, something that you would want to purchase, you know, because I do sell my artwork. You know, guys, just follow me, stay with me, watch me as I grow, share my videos, of course, with your friends and family. This is how I get to reach more people on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, all those major platforms. And, you know, yeah, it's a journey, and I really do appreciate you guys being a part of that. So do enjoy this video, and yeah, I will see you for the close-up of the wet result and the dried result, guys. Okay, I was torching just now, okay, and torching really helps to pop the air bubbles. And then when you find that the air bubbles are popping, you will find the cells popping through, like what Gina DeLuca, she called these cells the pop-up cells, because they pop up, you know, while torching. If you notice, when I was doing the pearl cells, some of the cells form, most of the cells come through without even torching. So if you don't have a torch, guys, don't worry about it. The cells will come through if they must, they will. And even with this technique here, where you see me spinning on the Lazy Susan, the cells will form. The white that I use in here, there is no satin enamel in here or anything like that. There's no there's no oil, so there's no silicone oil in here as well. It's really all about the paints, it's really all about the colors, and of course maybe, you know, how you really mix it and the pouring medium. Everything do adds up, and everything do play a very important factor in how the cells are created. Really do love this one, really do love how the colors come through, and that navy blue is really adding a bit of definition in here, giving this piece a more 3D look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below, and of course I will see you for the close-up of the wet result and the dried result. Don't go away. Here it is, guys, the close-up of the wet result. Check this one out. Check out the details in this. Check out the cells. You know, people call this, you know, cloud pour. They call this all the different various techniques. But you know what? You call it whatever. It's just beautiful art. It's acrylic pouring. It's the fluid art. It's just amazing how these colors come out, and the silver in here is just beautiful. You guys should really see the dried result. Amazing. The purple, oh my goodness, beautiful. And of course the blue, different shades of blue, the navy blue, and of course that beautiful, I think that's turquoise. Yes, it is. Beautiful color combination here, guys. Do love it. The blue, there's a deep blue in here, and that's ultramarine blue. They're just amazing, the colors, how they blended out, how they really define this piece, and I'm loving it. Really, really do love it. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section below, and of course the dried result is coming up. Here it is, a dried result of the first painting I did on the 12 by 12 inch canvas, and it's beautiful. You can see the sheen, the gloss, the shininess from that metallic silver. You can see when the light hit it, it's beautiful within the background, you know, and the colors popping through. The cells are just beautiful. Yes, they're small, but they're amazing. And you know what, guys, this is what the art is all about. This is what fluid art is all about. You know, trying different techniques, trying to get different results. And this one dried just the way I left it. While wet, it dried amazing. No shifting, nothing. Totally amazed with the way this one came out. And yes, guys, sorry, there's no resin on this or varnish, so it's really just the metallic silver, the sheen really coming through here, and I love it. Here is the second one I did, and you can see that yes, it shifted on me a bit, but I do love it. You know, art is all of the fluid art, things happen, you know. And this was also a repurposed canvas. Sometimes when I use repurposed canvas, I find that you know, when I paint over it, sometimes the painting does shift, but this is the result I got, and I am super happy. Super happy. It has like a wavy effect, some kind of beach motion wavy effect. Not sure what you guys are seeing in here. Look like some splash from something, but it's just beautiful. I left it all up to your imagination. You can see the silver in here really reflecting when the lights hit it, and I'm loving all the detail, loving all the colors. No finish on this as yet, no resin, no varnish. Guys, listen, add these pieces to your collection. I know there are some art collectors out there. Mother's Day is coming up, guys. You get your Mother's Day gift right here from me, Camile Amoy Art, and you can follow me on Instagram. DM me for prices if you want, and also, you know, you can email me. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think about this, please. And of course, I will see you next time on Camile Amoy Art. You guys have to come back. You have to see what other metallic colors I'll be using. Super happy, super excited with this new result. See you guys soon. Bye.